In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send direct contracts to a new client on Upwork. Whether you're just getting started with freelancing or looking to streamline your client onboarding process, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate Upwork's system with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Upwork and hit search. It's important to ensure that you click on the official Upwork link, which should be at the top of your search results. Once you're on the site, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and log in. When you land on your Upwork dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see several options, but for our purpose today, click on Find Work. Once you do that, a sub-menu will appear. Here, you want to select Direct Contracts. This is the section of Upwork that allows you to create contracts specifically for non-Upwork clients, giving you a simple way to manage engagements securely and professionally. Now that you're on the Direct Contracts page, look for the Create a Contract button and click on it. This is where the magic begins. You'll be prompted to set up the terms of your contract, and this can be either a fixed-price agreement or an hourly arrangement. Choosing between the two depends on the nature of your work and what you have agreed upon with your client. If the project has clear deliverables, a fixed-price contract might be more suitable. If the scope is a bit more fluid, you might prefer the flexibility of hourly billing. Assuming you go with a fixed-price contract, the next step involves specifying the job title, scope of work, and any milestones you want to set up. The title should be concise, yet descriptive enough for your client to understand what the contract covers. The scope of work is crucial, as it outlines what tasks need to be completed, and this part requires attention to detail to avoid future misunderstandings. If applicable, break down the project into manageable milestones, which not only help you track progress, but also provide more immediate payment checkpoints. Once you have laid out the contract details, you can send it off to the client for their review. Upwork allows you to do this with just a click, making the process seamless. After you send the contract, keep an eye on your notifications. The client will need to accept the terms, and you will be alerted once they do. After the client has accepted your contract, you'll find it listed under your Active Contracts section on your dashboard. It's a straightforward process, and now you're all set up to start your project on the right foot. Always make sure to maintain open communication with your client throughout the project for a smooth working relationship. Good luck with your new contract on Upwork.